What's up, guys? I'm going to go ahead and open up a Prismatic Evolution Surprise Box. Tiny the Collector here. I'm here with my buddy Brandon the Pokemaster. Let's go ahead and get this going. Oh yeah, and Brandon's girlfriend is here too. Oh, these ones are loose. We got a Flareon.
We got a Flareon promotion card this time.
Nice.
So that's clean.
We got our four packs of Prismatic Evolution and our card sorters. Let's go ahead and open these up. Go with this one. There's you guys' code card. There's a reverse holo. And oh, we got a trainer. And a duck snore.
Yep, holographic duck snore.
All right.
Not as easy as the Japanese packs to open.
Code card. Reverse. Another reverse and
Hey,
a Hydrapple EX. Let's go ahead and get that inside a sleeve. Code card.
come on, go pack.
Oh, we got a holo.
Psychic energy.
Psychic. Slowpoke. Pokeball. Reverse holo and Roaring Moon. Full holo. Ancient card.
Super nice though.
Yeah, beautiful
It's
colors.
kinda half holographic on the bottom.
All right, last pack. Code card. reverse, reverse, and hollow. Sylveon. All right, thank you for coming. Come back for the next one. See you guys soon.